What's the meaning of archaeological? Archaeological. Archaeological.
Archaeological. Archaeological. The term archaeological refers to the study of human history through the excavation and analysis of artifacts, structures, and other physical remains. The purpose of archaeological research is to uncover and understand past societies and cultures, and to map out their evolution over time. This discipline employs a range of techniques and methodologies, including stratigraphy, dating methods, and the analysis of artifacts and skeletal remains. Through careful study and interpretation of these materials, archaeologists can reconstruct and better understand the lives, beliefs, and behaviors of people in the past.